For decades, Pillen has delivered products manufactured from aluminium extrusion profiles to its customers in the international lighting industry, construction industry and the interior market. Our profile specialists carefully review requests for aluminium profile machining and material specifications, and the properties of the final product are discussed with the customer. Our project managers then produce a technical calculation and a planning. Any re-engineering proposal to find a cost-effective connection with the cost-price budgeting will certainly be included in this. The raw material supplied by the customer or already in stock will be sawn on one of our CNC-controlled sawing machines. Our milling department consists of various 5-axle CNC-controlled machining centers. Profiles up to 9,000 mm can be machined. Pillen has its own CNC-controlled rolling and bending machines for forming the aluminium extrusion profiles. When the profiles leave the machine, the products are cleaned and can be provided with a powder coating and/or assembled. Later, the products will be packed and prepared for shipment. With our personal approach and modern technical facilities, Pillen ensures that customers receive their product as ordered within the agreed lead time.